Hi guys, in this video we're gonna learn about offset on surface command. We will see how this command works and we will learn all the parameters involved in it. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a simple part using this command. So let's begin. When you place your pointer on this command, you will see a message which says adds 3D sketch entities by offsetting edges on their faces. So now we know that this command works for surfaces and it reads out the edges of the surface and offset them on the surface itself. To show that, I'm gonna create a simple sketch on top plane. Let's say a center rectangle. Just click OK. And I'm gonna apply some fillet over here. So I'm gonna increase the radius. Let's say I'll keep it 20, then click OK, exit, and I'm gonna convert this sketch into a surface. Then go to surface and select planar surface, then click OK. Now here, if you want to trim out the inside area of this surface, you can simply create a 2D sketch on it, or you can use the offset on surface command. As you can see, this command is available to use over here, and we are not in any kind of sketches, any plane, any surface we haven't selected any 2D sketches mode. So this command works in a 3D environment. Just select offset on surface, and if we want to offset the edges of this surface, you can select any edge from here. Here you can see on the yellow part, you have the preview of the 3D sketch which we have offset from the original edge of the surface. We can also increase or decrease the distance between this edge and the new sketch, and we can also convert it to a construction geometry by using make offset construction option over here. So in order to select all the edges in one go, just right click on any edges over here and select tangency. Now we have all the edges over here, and uncheck the make offset construction, then click OK. Now exit the sketch, save and exit, and we have the 3D sketch over here. You can see a 3D sketch entity on this design tree. Now if we want to trim out this inside area, we can go to surface and select trim surface, and as a trim tool, this sketch is already selected. And if you want to remove this area, just click OK. Now we have trimmed out this surface over here. Now if we want to use the new edges formed over here, we can also use a command which says ruled surface and select the edges by selecting tangency. Then if you want the extrusion on this direction downwards, just reverse it and increase the distance, then click OK. We can also fill this hollow area by using fill surface command. Just select all the edges over here and it will fill it out, then click OK. Now if you want to apply fillet on these edges, just first knit the surfaces and click OK. Now we can apply fillet on the edges as well over here. Now we know how we can create a simple part using offset on surface command, and we know all the parameters involved in it. Now we will see how to create some more complex part by using this command. To do that, I'm gonna create some sketches on the front plane. Just select the line and create a sketch over here like this and complete it over here. Now I'm gonna apply some fillet over here, so I'm gonna give 15 as radius and click OK. Now exit and convert this into surface extrusion from mid plane, and I'm gonna extrude it like this and click OK. Now we have a surface And my intention is to convert this whole surface into a frame. To do that, I need to get rid of the inside area of the surface. But before doing that, I need to fillet the corners of the surface. So we cannot directly do this by the use of fillet command, as it is a surface. We need to create a sketch and remove the corners. So I'm going to do it quickly. So now we have filleted these corners over here. Now I need to trim off this inside area. So use offset on surface command and select the edges by selecting tangency. We're gonna select this edge as well. Then click OK and save and exit the sketch. Now we have a 3D sketch. We can use this to trim out this surface. So go to surface and select trim surface, and select your sketch and trim out this inside area, then click OK. Now we have a simple frame like structure over here. We can convert this into a solid by using thicken command. Select this sketch and decrease the distance, whatever distance you need, let's say 3, and click OK. Now we have a nice frame over here, and whenever you want to decrease the thickness, just you can edit the thicken command and decrease the thickness of this frame like this one. To make it smooth on the edges, we can also apply fillet on this whole part and just decrease the fillet radius, like let's say 0.5, and we have applied fillet over here. And if you want to strengthen this frame over here, so just select this face and sketch some entities like some rectangular frame or some circular, whatever you're using. Just select this, and I'm gonna copy this rectangle from this point to somewhere at this area. Now exit this sketch and extrude this to up to next, then click OK. Now if you want to apply some appearance on this whole part, go to appearance and go to metal. I'm gonna select this polished steel, drop it on this part like this one, and you can also change the color of this whole part by editing the appearance here. Select edit appearance and you can apply a different color, different shades over here as well. So now just click OK and we have made our part. Just I'm gonna change some view settings, let's say perspective, and we can also apply shadows in shaded mode, and here we are. So now that you have learned how you can create a simple 3D part with using surfaces and offset on surface command. Now if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, you can comment down below and ask whatever you want to know about this part, and I'll try to answer them all your queries. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon to get the latest update from the third axis. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.